Hi, Sanjay Gandhi here. In one of the earlier videos, we learnt about identifying the wrong numbers, which are actually numbers but saved as text, and how to solve these also. We learned that we did that using text to column. Now, in case I don't identify my numbers over here, which are for example text in this case, as we can see, text over here, text here as well, and text here as well. That is why the sum here gives me a total of 7,000, whereas it is supposed to be 10,000 for these 10 numbers. 1,000 each should be 10,000. So I'm not getting the answer correct. So here I can do one thing. I can apply equal to sum, bracket open, double minus sign. It multiplies by negative and positive and finally gets the right answer available here. I can click and shift click the range within the screen and close the bracket, enter, and I get my correct total over here. That's one thing. Second, if I want to get my data across multiple sheets, for example, and get the sum available here, I can notice that my sum in Jan is, for example, 10,000 for these numbers over here, 10 series. And in Feb again, I get this 10,000. March, again 10,000. The cell reference is exactly same. So I come back here in this case, and then when I apply a simple sum here, for example, equal to sum, bracket open, go to January, click on the first cell available there, and I can move my help away using a drag operation here. I can then either plus over here or press a comma and get my next value, which can be any cell for that matter. I want to keep a common cell, for example, over here. Click that also, comma again, go to March, click that again, and get the value available finally. So in this case, if I try to apply for 12 months or more data, for example, I'll have to go to every month in that case and pick up my cell available with the reference of that value which I want to pick up. And you can notice I'm getting the right answer. So I can really go here and apply equal to sum, for example, go to sheet number 1, pick up my value from the same cell in every sheet, then hold the shift key over here, go to the last sheet in this case, and because the cell is the same across all the sheets, you can see my cell is selected already over there. I can then press close bracket, enter, and get my answer over here. You can notice that I get the range of sheets available here. In case there are some hidden sheets inside my data, for example, the data will be lifted from those sheets also. I should in that case keep that cell free so that no value is picked up from the hidden sheets also. Plus I can take the random sheets also, so I can have January here, then 2 sheets, then February, then 2 sheets, and so on and so forth. I can have my 24th sheet or 20th sheet as my December sheet. So I can click the first sheet January over here, shift click the last sheet over there, and get my total available. I should only take care that my common cell has to be there across all the month sheets available there, and that should do my work. Thank you so much. See you next time. Bye bye.